Today I want to show and share one of my boho journals that I've made. Has fabric on top of a file folder. I've already made pockets, lace, and different ephemera. I like to use ribbon. I think it is a great way to add flair. Some fabric beads on a paper clip. Lots of pockets, lots of places to clip. And this is one of the fun things I did, and the paper clip is fixed inside with paper and ribbon made out of a book page. Like torn edges as well as straight edges. And these I've been wondering whether to add a little more bling and flair, whether by paper clip or by sewing on. I've used some tea to help stain the pages to age them a little bit. Different ribbons and bows I've put in. Been part of a checkbook. Nice little pocket. More staining. Old postcards. Beautiful lace I've put in here. Different staining on the edges with some different colored paint. More lace and ribbon. A beaded, fun little safety pin. Tags. More paper clips. Different fun papers I've put in with different laces. And now the lace and the different pockets you see, I've actually stitched on to complete the book. Doily. Ribbons on tags that we've stained. And I have stitched around and then added washi tape. Book pages for pockets. Envelopes. Center of the book has been bound. Beautiful beads. Both a fabric bead that I've created, mushroom beads, book pages, tags. I think the staining adds a lot of depth and character to the books. Beautiful laces. Now these are also something that I've created, cutting out scrapbook paper, a little thicker stock, and then putting inside of it different pages there you can write on and tuck it in to different pockets. The other side of the bag with a nice little clip. Haven't decided what to put on this, whether to glue on another piece, maybe a doily to add a little glare and glam and glitz. This is also something I really love, is putting together some of your scraps, adding a little bit of texture, adding some comfort and feel to that, stitching it on. Again, lots of tags to write on. All of these pages are ready for your journaling ideas, stickers, etc. A book page added in with some of my favorite from a play that I read. Actually, I believe I first read that in 5th or 6th grade. And there you have it. And I've tied it up with a nice comfort ribbon. Lovebirds, got them on the front. Of course, life wouldn't be the same without your music. And you have a beautiful boho journal ready for your own personalized touches. And as I add, it'll get thicker and thicker and be so much more fun to play with.